guys, it's Amy with 731 Woodworks, and this is Coda. We are getting ready to have our 1-year anniversary, and so we decided to do a Valentine's giveaway. We are going to give away a Keep Collective silver mesh bracelet and rose gold anchor to wear on it. We're not affiliated with Keep Collective in any way, but I absolutely love their stuff. If you want to go onto their website and order more charms to go on your bracelet, you can do that at any time. But we just thought that this would be a nice way to share our story with you. We're gonna end this on February 10th. That way, if whoever wins it is out of state or out of town, we can mail it to you and you can have it in time for Valentine's Day. So guys, share this post, tag 2 friends to get yourself entered. This would make a great Valentine's gift, and ladies, there's no harm in trying to get it for yourself, so do the same. This is what it looks like on. This one is mine. These are absolutely beautiful to wear. They also come with links so that they adjust to any size wrist. So hope to see you there. Thanks guys. Okay guys, so we wanted to give you a better look at the bracelet that we're giving away. This is the silver mesh bracelet from Keep, and then this is the rose gold anchor that's going to be put on it. And if you want to see what it looks like on, this is what it looks like on. That rose gold on top of that silver looks really good, and you can actually mix it with other bracelets from Keep Collective if you ever want to shop some of their collections. I've actually got some others I'll show you. One of them that is my absolute favorite is this one. My husband got this for me for Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love to cook and to bake, so he personalized this one for me. And the little tassel just means new adventures because, well, it's always a new adventure in our kitchen anyway. And here's another one that I have that's just my family tree. It's for my husband and my 3 kids, so they're just really neat. So I hope you really enjoy what you're going to get, and I hope you wear it with a lot of pride.